Have you ever noticed how money has this strange ability to come and go? Yung parang pag sweldo mo, may bonus kang nakuha. Minsan biglang hindi inaasahang gastos. Bilis lang mawala. Parang oras din. It only goes. Pero ang pinagkaiba kasi, ang oras, when it's gone. Hindi na siya babalik. Yung pera, we can work harder. We can earn more. Trabaho ka lang, rebuild what you've lost financially. Pero ang oras, pag na-spend mo na siya or hinayaan mo siyang mawala, goodbye na. And this is the truth that really hit me on my recent trip to the US kasi. That's why today, gusto kong mag-share ng isang bagay na sobrang malapit talaga sa puso ko. Kasi baka makarelate ka eh. Yung feeling na hindi mo inaasahan pero mararamdaman mo yung pag napatingin ka sa parents mo tapos may isip mo na yung greatest gift pala talaga na we can give them is not money. Not presents, but our presence. And this time, when I saw them, napansin ko yung mga maliliit na bagay na dati parang wala lang. Medyo mabagal na sila maglakad, kumilos. Tapos, alam mo yung kislap sa mata nila pag nakita nila ikaw. Tsaka yung tuwa nila kapag sabay-sabay kayong kumakain. Those are grand moments. Wala mang fireworks yung moments na yon, pero for me, yun yung luxurious moments. Yun yung priceless. And ito pa, minsan 'di ba parang ang OA ng parents natin, like huwag mo kalimutan yung jacket mo. Kumain ka na ba? O huwag kang masyadong magbasa. Basta, yung 10 beses ka nilang tatanungin. Yung sobrang worried nila sa maliliit na bagay, pero para sa'yo, handled ko na to. Alam ko ginagawa ko. Okay na. Hindi na kailangan pa ulit-ulit. Dati nainis din ako, pero minsan pag nare-realize ko, hindi siya OA eh. It's love. Hindi sila nang iistorbo. They're just showing us the way, love, how they know. Kaya instead na maging impatient, kailangan lang talaga nila yung understanding natin, yung patience natin. Kasi habang tumatanda sila, hindi lang nila kailangan ng bumisita tayo. They need us to listen, to understand, and handle their hearts with care. Pero alam ko, hindi madali for everyone. Because traveling is expensive. Mahirap isingit din sa busy life. Kasi, it's very challenging. Pero yung isang bagay na kumukuro talaga sa akin, yung time with them is running out. Kasi, mahirap yung regret. Yung isipin mo lang na I could have, but I didn't. Kaya, kung meron kayong long-distance relationship with your parents, kung hindi mo pa kaya mag-travel, tawagin mo sila, mag-video call kayo. I-record mo yung usapan nyo. Walang masama. I-text mo sila lagi, kasi yun lang yung memories na may iwan nila eh. Hindi lang siya laging physically being there eh. It's about making sure na you make them feel na they are not forgotten. And here's the truth. Ang pera, kayang kitain ulit yan. Oh my gosh, I've lost money before. Pero nakabawi ako. And I know kaya nyo rin to. Pero ang oras, yung oras, nasa kamay mo yan. Yung oras na pagkasama mo yung magulang mo, tumatawa kayo, kumakain, sama-sama kayo. Pag lumipas na yan, hindi mo na mabibili yan. Hindi mo siya mababalik. Kaya don't wait for the right time. Hindi yung pag may extra money ako, pag mas stable na ako, pag may nakuha akong bonus, pag may free time ako. The right time is now. So if you can, kung kaya mo naman magbuka ng ticket, maraming bagay. Kasi one day, those moments will be all you have and they will mean more than any money talaga could ever replace. Alam nyo, life has taught me through storms. Sobrang storms, heartbreaks. And yung legacy talaga, hindi siya nakikita sa bank accounts natin. It's in the hearts ng mga taong we love, especially our parents. We only get one chance to make those memories. That's why my invitation for you today, spend time with your parents, be patient with them, be sensitive. Makinig ka sa mga kwento nila. Ako minsan, voice record ko rin yung usapan namin or ini-screen record ko yung video chat namin. Laugh with them, kumain kayo ng sabay, yakapin mo sila ng matagal, create moments na nag-outlast sa time. Always make them feel special, remembered. Kasi one day, you will realize na ang greatest wealth talaga natin in life is not money, but the time we share or we shared with our loved ones. Like ko sinasabi sa inyo sa mga vlog ko, alam nyo, you are not broken. You're not behind. You just need to realign what truly matters. And sometimes, yung realignment na yun, that's where it starts. It's just simply going home. Going back to the basics. Kung saan ka nagsimula. Doon magsisimula rin ang healing process mo. Realignment. And everything follows. That's what happened to me. I've lost a lot in life. Many times. Hindi lang emotionally. Hindi lang financially. Maraming nawala sa akin. Pero I kept going. I kept believing and I kept trusting the process and God. Yung huling trip ko sa US, I made it happen. How? It's because I believe kaya siya. Yes, it's really challenging. It's really challenging. Earning money is not that easy. Pero if you have your biggest why and you see a bigger picture and you have this biggest reason kung bakit mo gagawin yun, it will actually manifest. When I said, I declared in 2025, I will go to the US. I don't know when and I don't know how, but I made it happen. Why? Because pinaghirapan mo ang isang bagay. If you focus on that goal, surely it will manifest. That's why like ko sinasabi sa inyo, lahat kaya niyong gawin. Kahit ano pa yan, kahit ilang taon ka pa, kahit nasang status ka pa ng buhay mo, kaya mong gawin lahat. Ngayon, meron pa akong bagay na gustong i-share sa inyo. Mga magulang ko, 2017 ko pa sila huling nakita. And noong mga panahong yun, marami akong pinagdadaanan sa buhay na alam ko sobrang worried sila sa akin because wala akong kamag-anak dito sa paligid ko. Pero I know naging challenge din for my parents because mahirap maging malayo ka rin sa magulang mo and I know mahirap malayo sa'yo ang anak mo. That's why I don't know kung ano pa bang hihigit sa challenges na yon pagdating sa worries ng magulang natin. That's why, kung kaya mong bisitahin sila, kausapin mo sila araw-araw, gawin mo. Hindi talaga mapapantayan ang happiness ng magulang natin yung makikita nila tayo na nasa harap nila, nayakap ka nila, makakausap ka nila. And yun lang, sobrang saya na nila eh. Hindi nila kailangan ng kahit anong pasalubong o regalo from you. They just need your time, your love, attention, understanding, your care. Ganon. Ganon ang pagmamahal ng isang magulang.
Okay, ready? I'm taking a picture.
Okay. 2,
Hey,
3.
move out of the way. 1, 2. Guys, everybody smile for me.
Smile.
1, 2. Ellery, look at me. 1, 2, 3. Everybody smile. Everybody smile. Okay, I got it. Okay, what do you think? Hold on, ready? Nanay, tingnan mo nga kung okay to.
Soon behind them.
Okay ba?
Yes, really. Okay. Bakit sila Arnie nandun sa likod?
Pinotoshop ni Ivy yata.
How?
Nandun si baby.
Where?
There's someone behind. Sa likod.
Ay,
Wala na.
yun ah.
Ay,
Oh.
sila Arnie. Oh.
Nasa likod. Paano napunta doon?
Paano niya ginawa?
Galing nga. Iniisip paano nangyari yun? Surprise.